Hi guys, my name is Twinkle. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am filming very interesting video. One of my colleague actually told me to film this video and it will help for sure a lot of people. So this video is like makeup using only 5 products, and it will also help you if you are traveling or if you are a beginner. It will help you a lot because beginners don't have a lot of products. They do not purchase a lot of products at the beginning. You don't have like fancy bronzers, highlighters, blushes and everything. So I'm gonna do this video using minimum products yet the same glam makeup. So this is my bare face. I just did my eyebrows. I will come back to that in a while, and I'm using only 5 products today to do my full face of makeup. I also follow the same thing when I am traveling. So I have my little makeup bag with me here, and I have 5 products. This will be like my main product. This is the L.a.colors Eyeshadow in the variant Smoky, and I filled my eyebrows a little bit using this black shade. If you have brown eyebrows, you can mix the brown and black, and this has so many shades you can play around and all of your work can be done. So the main thing about the beginner is you should have like a good eyeshadow palette, which I'm sure every one of you have, and a good base product and a good lipstick. So these 3 are like the main things, and I think everyone have at least one eyeshadow, good base products like your favorite foundation, and lipstick, of course, because lipstick is everyone's favorite. A lot of beginners don't have primer. They do not have primer, of course. So in the place of primer, I have used my moisturizer as my primer, and that does the same job. Like it's like a shield before you do your makeup. So I've used my regular moisturizer, and I'm gonna use my favorite NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. Now why I have included this in this video is because you can use any foundation, but since this is a full coverage, you can adjust the coverage as per you want. So I haven't included any concealer or any other base product in this video. This is the only one base product which will do everything. So I'm gonna take like a generous amount, like a pump, and do my base. I will use the Beauty 4 makeup sponge, and it is very soft and very squishy. So I will first work in my problem areas and then will drag the whole foundation to the whole face. This sponge blends everything so well, and as you can see, like my face has like instant brightness, instant glow, and I just worked in my problem area. I haven't concealed my eyelids, which I will do it in a while. So you can leave your face as it is and like do the rest of your makeup, but I'm gonna cover the whole face since I'm not gonna use any concealer or anything. So as you can see, everything is looking nice and seamless, and I also applied some at my neck. Now it looks very fine. So the second product, technically the second product I'm gonna use is powder. Now regarding the powder, you can use any baby powder, any face powder, talcum powder. Since my T-zone is very oily, I've included face powder, like a compact powder, in this video. Now excuse this container. This is the Urban Color Infinite UV Fairness pressed powder. So I don't promote any fairness products, but this does work for me. This is like a normal compact powder. Now I broke the lid of it, but still I use it. I love this compact powder with all my heart. So yeah, excuse the container. And I have hit the pan. By the way, I don't hit pan in any products like ever. So yeah, by the condition of it, you can figure out how much I love this product. I usually carry this whenever I travel, or when I was a beginner, I used to have the Maybelline one and now I switched to this one. So I'm gonna use this to set my whole face. So this was the second product. Now comes the third product. So this is it. This is what I said. This was, my eyebrows were filled with this. And I'm gonna contour and highlight using this palette. And I'm gonna use the same beauty sponge. I will take this brown color. Okay, I'll put this brush aside. And I'm gonna use this brown shade to contour a little bit. And I will use this shade to highlight. So since my sponge is wet, it will be very easy to contour. So I'm just gonna contour the hollows of my cheeks, as you can see. I know a lot of beginners have like some brush sets of like 4 or 10 brush sets, but I have like included minimum brushes and minimum products as I can. So that is why I am only using this makeup sponge or beauty sponge, whatever you call it. And this you can get it anywhere from like 40 bucks to 2000 bucks. 2000 INR, or here if you are in Canada, you can get it from $4 to $30. So yes, so I have contoured my cheeks a little bit. I was gonna do like nose contouring. We'll do it quickly. I've taken a product here and I will just contour my nose a little bit. My nose is looking nice right now. And now with the same sponge, I'm gonna highlight my face. So I will be using this shade, like I will swatch it here. It is so pretty. So I'm gonna use the other side of the blender and I will just highlight the highest points of my face. As you can see, it gave me like a subtle glow and not too much going on. Now comes the main part, eyes and blush. So for eyes, if you buy any of these sort of palettes, you get like a sponge tip brush with it. But I have my brushes, so I'm gonna use those. And I actually have 2 basic brushes, which I think almost every one of us have. It's like a blending brush, which you can find it anywhere on Amazon. It's super generic and super affordable. And the other one is a flat eyeshadow brush. So these 2 are the brushes I'm gonna use, and I'm gonna create like a nice glam look. I will be using this brown shade, which I use for my contouring, as my base eyeshadow or for doing my transition area, whatever you call it. So I'm gonna just saturate my brush with it and just do both of my eyes. I will be using the mixture of the black and the brown for my outer V. So as this is a blending brush, this will blend everything very quickly and very nicely, and you don't have to be like super precise. I however bought this palette just for this video. I do have a Wet n Wild palette, but I have included it in so many videos, and I think a lot of you are bored, or maybe like, I don't know. I like to give more options to my viewers, so yeah. But I honestly am not a fan of this eyeshadow palette because this is giving me like hard time to blend everything, but we'll work it out, it's okay. So now comes the lid shade, and for lid I'm gonna use this silver gray sort of a color. I will use my fingers for sure. I'm taking like this and apply it all over my lid. As you can see, it's looking very beautiful, and it did change the look of my eye. And now I'm gonna use the brush which comes with this eyeshadow. I'm gonna take this cool toned brown shade on the tip of it, and I will do my lower lash line. And on the other side I did use the highlighting shade, so I'm gonna take the same highlighting shade and do my inner corners with it. And I will do my brow bone as well. Now my eyes are almost done. The only thing left is eyeliner and mascara. Now since I have extensions, I don't feel like applying mascara. And eyeliner, you can use it from this one, or you can use the pen or marker one. Now I only have like 4 products with me, though I said 5, but the 5th product was mascara. I have extensions, so I don't have it here. I have eyeshadow, I have foundation, I have lipstick, and I have powder. So those are the 4 products for everything, and that I don't have right now because I have extensions, of course, so I'm not gonna use it, but that was the 5th product for sure. And I usually carry like 2 lipsticks. These 2 are like my main lipsticks. The one is red and the other one is nude lipstick. So the best part about carrying like a nude and red, like everyone has like one bold color and one nude color for every day. So the best part about this nude color is actually you can use it as a blush. So that's what I'm gonna do. I don't have blush right now, and I know a lot of beginner makeup girls do not purchase blush or do not carry blush. So I'm gonna use my lipstick as a blush and show you how it looks. So you can smile and just apply lipstick. I have this lipstick from Unique to You color. It's called Bordeaux, and I'm gonna take my sponge and blend it. I actually did a mistake. I would have blended this before I applied my powder. I'm having a hard time to blend it, but it's okay. And it's a beautiful color. Like, you can use any pink lipstick for blush, pink or peachy sort of a lipstick. Even nude brown will look nice. So yeah, as you can see, it added like a flush of color on my face. And now I'm gonna apply the same lipstick on my lips and show you how it looks. So this is how it is. It is actually more on like a mauve side, but since there's like a lot of lighting, so that is why it's looking a bit of pink. So yeah, this is the final look using very minimum products and yet looking put together. So yeah, that was it for the video. Subscribe right now if you haven't already. Follow me on Instagram and I will see you guys next time. Bye.